So this is hard to believe. This is the Tropical Atlantic GOES image viewer. This is a time-lapse satellite imagery here. And honestly, I have been watching this for the past couple days, and I've made a couple videos about it. I haven't posted it. It's just been really kind of difficult to watch this because it seemed like this was intended to be a hurricane all along. Here you could see pretty much 12 hours ago there's absolutely nothing there. And then it is evolving. Now I'm about to refresh this because this is actually a couple days ago, but there you can see there's nothing there. And then right in that moment you almost begin to see a rotation, and then there you see it. And honestly, this is really kind of, well, to be honest, it's really difficult to watch this because I actually have video of this storm going in reverse, going clockwise, and then reversing. It looks like two massive torpedoes blowing through the atmosphere and kind of getting the rotation going counterclockwise. We're going to reset this and see the evolution of this system as it is now named a tropical storm, possibly a Hurricane Oscar. So there you see it, pretty much stalling over these islands that had a hurricane earlier in the year, Hurricane Beryl. And this thing is pretty much stalling because of the cold front and gravity waves that have pushed down. And then you have another system here in the Caribbean as well. So you simultaneously have two storms, and we're just watching this daily now. We're watching the massive chemical pollution coming across the state of Florida. I was outside all day at a farmer's market. I watched it firsthand. This is all aerosol trails from airplanes. And over the course of the day, that's all that you see in Florida, all day. So the storm track that I'd been seeing in this spaghetti map, or whatever it's called, has this system going up. Right now you have 3 cyclonic weather systems happening all at once. You have this system, you have this system, and then you have this system. I have video of this reversing as it was basically forming and then reversing and then coming back down. And this is just a mess across the boards. So as we speak, we have tropical storm / hurricane moving through Playa del Carmen, Cancun, Yucatan Peninsula. It seems to be getting fed by this system over here. Notice how the currents of wind are moving down through here, and then this one is getting fed from this system up here. I feel like we should take a look at this. Mid-level water vapor. Wow, so it's not actually just three. There's another system in Arizona right now. Colorado, New Mexico. Wow. And I'm curious to know what is spiraling out of those outer bands. Very intense storms, possibly tornadoes. So notice how you have that spiraling system there, that cyclonic movement there, but really what it looks like is just an intense high pressure system. All you see is dry air. There, you see it? Switch to the true color. Take a look at this big picture. Wow. Wow, this is pretty crazy. Pretty crazy. Here we go again. And I want to zoom in to Florida so we could see this sky crap. It's a lot. Take a look at all that. Let's slow it down. Let's slow it down. All those aerosol trails. Look at these. Look at all of them. That's all chemical pollution from airplanes, altering the atmosphere. altering the humidity. Look at what is coming in. It's thick. We could pause this. Get a real clear shot of it all. Well, if you had any issues breathing today, this could possibly be the reason. So all these crisscrossing lines, these are aerosol trails from airplanes. Let's see a few more of those. There you go. Crazy.